In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Steam games, no sound or audio problem. The first thing that we want to try is we want to make sure that we're using the default device. So come here and right click on your audio, open up sounds, and in here you want to head over to playback. Now once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your default device is the correct one. So I know that the surround sound speakers is my correct device. So I want to make sure that I set that one as the default one. Now if you have one of the others as your default, it will not work. So make sure that you have the correct one as your default device. After that, also, you can come here and you want to make sure that if you go to volume settings, you want to make sure that you have your Steam game turned up and not unmuted. Now after that, what you can do is you can try and launch Steam in the compatibility mode. So find Steam down here, or right clicking on the desktop. Then what you want to do is you want to open up the file location and do it again until you find the steam.exe. Now this is also the steam.exe. So just on either one of these, you want to go to properties, compatibility, and you want to run this program as an administrator. Now if it still doesn't work, you can try and launch with the disable full screen optimizations. So check this one and see if it works now. Now if for some reason this is still not working, what you can do is you can come here and you can search for troubleshoot settings, open it up, then come in here and go to additional troubleshooters, and then you want to find the playing audio one and run the troubleshooter. Now you also want to make sure that your headset is plugged in correctly, so check for the cable on your headset and make sure it's in the correct one, and that should be about it, guys. After all of this, try and restart your PC and now hopefully it should work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.